Want more privacy on your iPhone? A VPN can help, but setting it up the wrong way can cause you problems. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and enable a VPN on iPhone properly. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to your App Store, tap on the search icon and search for VPN. Here you have a list of VPNs that you can choose from. Most of the popular VPNs come with a free plan, but you may be limited to certain countries that you can VPN to. For me, I use Proton VPN, but do find one that you feel comfortable with. Once you have downloaded the VPN, open the app and sign up for the service. Then tap on Connect and the app will connect you to the free VPNs available worldwide. If you swipe down from the top of the phone, you can see the icon VPN here that indicates you are currently connected via VPN. To turn this off, simply go back to the app and tap on Disconnect. There you go! If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and